Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show around this superb Peugeot 508 in the GT line specification. So this car features 19-inch alloy wheels, has full LED headlights, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior with heated front seats. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control with a speed limiter and a smartphone charging plate. There's also some great safety features including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. It has a 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 10,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.